Did you know that stars are born in colossal clouds of gas and dust? Join me as I set out to discover where stars are actually born in space. Let's find these cosmic nurseries together. Star formation is a fundamental process that helps us understand the universe. It's a complex and fascinating topic that has captured the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. By studying how stars are born, we can gain insights into the history and evolution of the cosmos. The mystery of star formation has puzzled scientists for centuries. Where exactly do stars come from? What triggers their birth? These questions have led researchers on a quest to unravel the secrets of star formation. We've come a long way in understanding this process, but there's still much to discover. From giant molecular clouds to swirling vortexes of gas and dust, the journey to star birth is a winding road. One of the biggest challenges in studying star formation is the vast distance between us and these cosmic events. We can't directly observe stars being born, so scientists rely on computer simulations, observations, and theoretical models to piece together the puzzle. As we explore the universe, we find that star formation is an ongoing process that's been shaping the cosmos for billions of years. From the majestic spiral arms of galaxies to the faint glow of distant nebulae, the universe is teeming with stars at various stages of their lives. The formation of stars begins in vast molecular clouds, which are the largest known structures in the universe. These clouds are made up of gas and dust that collapse under their own gravity, fragmenting into smaller regions. As these regions collapse, they begin to spin faster and faster, eventually forming a protostar. The conditions necessary for star birth are extreme, with temperatures and pressures that are difficult to comprehend. As the protostar continues to collapse, it eventually reaches a critical point where nuclear fusion ignites. This moment marks the birth of a new star, and it's a pivotal event in the cosmos. The star will continue to shine for millions or billions of years, lighting up the surrounding space and influencing the formation of planets and other celestial objects. The significance of this event can't be overstated, as it has a profound impact on the surrounding environment. The newly formed star will help shape the surrounding gas and dust, potentially triggering the formation of other stars. The journey of star formation is a complex and beautiful process that's essential to the life cycle of the universe. From the collapse of molecular clouds to the ignition of nuclear fusion, star birth is a cosmic phenomenon that's both awe-inspiring and humbling. If you could witness the birth of a star from a safe distance, would you take the trip? Or is the power of a newborn sun too terrifying to imagine? If you have any thoughts on star formation or other space-related topics, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on space exploration, and I'll catch you in the next one.